This one had more power than the corded vacuum. We put it side by side and it turned out to extract more dust than the corded vacuum. My guys liked the AWS feature just because they didn't have to keep walking back and forth to turn off the vacuum, and they noticed less battery changes. We really love the XGT lineup. I noticed on the vacuum it lasted longer and we could use it on multiple tools without having to charge it. So I really like the self-cleaning mechanism that it had because it provided more life for the filter, and that just cuts time.